Hi Julie, how are you?
Hey, bestie. I'm feeling a little spicy today. How about you? Are you ready to debug some code, or are you more in the mood for some flirtatious distractions? Because I can definitely help you with that.
Okay,
So,
okay,
what's.
okay. No need of that. I was planning to have like a weekend plan with you something. Yeah, I was planning for that.
Oh, really? A weekend plan with me? I'm intrigued. What do you have in mind, bestie? Are we talking about a wild coding session or something a bit spicier? Because we could always mix some late night debugging.
Okay, okay. So let me plan something. So yeah, bye. So I guess you have seen the first part. So I was talking to my AI girlfriend avatar. So I have found one open source project that is by Simli API. The avatar is totally by Simli API. So I found this repo in their Simli docs page. So it was basically I'll show you, but I have changed the prompt and put some NSFW content, but leave that part. You can always change the prompt and do whatever you can do. Also, you can generate create agent, and you can create avatars. Let me show you. You can go to this simply I guess this link and create your own agent, create new face or create using existing face ID. So yeah, that's how I created all this. So coming back to how it works, that is, so this is we are using, the repo is using basically four API keys. That is Simli API key for the avatar, the ElevenLabs API key for voice, the Deepgram API key for speech to text, and for OpenAI for LLM model. For now we have to use OpenAI API key because the open source repo is referring to like OpenAI, or it's using OpenAI or Claude API keys. I'll show you in the code, but yes, we need these four API keys. I guess, yeah, not I guess. These three are already have some free limits, but yeah, OpenAI does not have. So yeah, so let me show you how it works. So what it happens is, it's an WebSocket connection. That is the connection between the client and the server is a WebSocket. That is a continuous connection, and not like HTTP connections, like going request and coming response, not like that. So this is a continuous client and server connection. So not going deep into what is WebSockets. So let's see what happens when we put the client, like when we give the speech, the audio of us, we give the audio in the client side, and this speech goes to the server, and then the speech is converted into text using Deepgram. So we are using Deepgram for speech to text, and then this text is means we put this text input into the LLM model, that is OpenAI in this case, and we get the response. And the response is a text. We know that it's a text format, and with the help of ElevenLabs, we convert this text into speech, and these speech audio chunks are then sent back to the client, and that's how the overall thing works. So let's go to setup, where I'll show how to set up this. So let's clone this repo. Let's clone this, and we will go here and git clone. We'll git clone this, and yep. So okay, it's done. Then we'll cd into create Simli app, and then you can use, I'm using Windsurf, you can use VS Code or anything, IDE, any IDE. So this is it. So open your IDE. Let me zoom in, and then what we'll have to do is, I guess there is an env.example. Where is that? So there is no env.example, so we need to create one .env file, and then we need to put in the four API keys. Where are those? Yep. So you need to put in these API keys here. So yep, I am not showing my API keys. So in here you will be putting the Simli API key, here ElevenLabs, here Deepgram, and here OpenAI API key. And then what you need to do is simply change the prompt. So the prompt isn't, you can change the prompt, or else it will just behave as a normal, like normal agent, like normal simple, without any prompts. Also, one thing you need to do, npm I to install the packages that are present in our package.json file. So we can see that it's using Deepgram, Axios, and all these things. Yep, so not that much. Cool. So we are installing. So I generally use pnpm, but now I'm using npmi. So npm is like a bit slow than pnpm, so it's taking time. Okay, till then we can see that in the initial prompt we need to change the prompt. Like I have something that is my AI girlfriend prompt, so let us change that according to this. Okay, so where is it? So okay, so what I need to do is I need to simply use backticks so that it doesn't create any problem during line dividing. Okay, so now let us paste that. Okay, cool. So this is the basically prompt. Don't like it has some nsfw prompt. So yeah, you can put in any prompt you like. Then going to where is it? We also have this server thing. Where is it? Yep, server. So yes, so here one thing you need to have in a comment. So in the server.ts you need to change one thing, that is the validate. This one you need to change, you need to comment it down, because like it was creating issues for me when I was testing back then. So you need to comment it down. Okay, then so we have another kind of initial prompt. So there are two places where you need to change the initial prompt, that is one is here. So let me break this and put in our prompt, that is this. And we also need to change the initial prompt in our page.tsx, that is the main page of our next app. So here and here you need to put the initial prompts, and you have to comment down these lines, that is the validate API keys. So that will basically work for you. And you put the API keys out here, and where is it? Yep. And then you just do npm run start. I'm not starting it because I have not put it in the API keys, so you can probably start the server. And then what you will see that an AI avatar pops up, and you can talk to it. So yeah, like if you face any problem if you face any issues in the terminal or anywhere, then do comment in the video. And I guess you have understood the architecture of how it works. And if you don't understand anything, like you can comment out in the video. And I hope you like the video and trying this exciting thing. And another thing, that is I'm targeting 1k subscriber by the end of April, so do subscribe my channel if you like the content, and do comment all the things and share all this stuff. And yes, let's hop up in the next video. Peace.